Girl, I'm ugly right now, okay?
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV.
Hey babes, it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing this cute hairstyle that I'm so obsessed with. I don't really know the name for it. I just call it like a pin-up ponytail or pin curl ponytail. Super cute. I've been seeing all the girlies for prom, during prom season, getting this hairstyle. So I feel like it's like trending right now, all up and down my Instagram feed and on TikTok. So I'm all about like messy hair, and I'm all about a 90s moment, and I feel like this is super reminiscent of like 90s like pin-up updo hairstyles. So yeah, if you want to see how I was able to achieve this pin curl pin-up ponytail, then just keep watching. Girl, I'm ugly right now, okay? So I'm gonna try this hairstyle because it's been trending on like TikTok, Instagram, and I think it's super cute. Like, I feel like all the prom girls have been getting this hairstyle for prom, which is fine, but it's so cute, and we love a little 90s moment. So yeah, I wanted to do it because I don't know, I just think the hairstyle is really, really cute. I feel like it's the, like, you know, it girl hairstyle right now. My hair looks like this because my hair is completely natural now. Like, it's not heat trained anymore, nothing like that. If you have natural hair, then you understand the struggle of being able to keep your hair straight, especially in the summertime. So now that it's like hot outside, once I step out the door, the curls they drop, okay? And it's kind of annoying. My hair gets frizzy, my curls fall. Like, I don't know. That's why braids in the summertime, a black girl in her braids, like, that's the best move that you can make in the summer. But whatever, I digress. Hopefully, because this is a ponytail updo type of situation, that it will last, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be upset. All right, I'm doing this on old hair because it's product in it. And sorry if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. But you know, I gotta put product in it, and so yeah, I won't care, you know, because I'm probably gonna have to wash it soon anyway. All right, first things first, I'm going to put some heat protectant on my hair because I'm going to have to curl it for this. From what I have seen, basically you like curl the hair super tight, and then when you pull it up, you kind of just pin the curls in place like wherever they fall. So the hair just has to be really curly for you to do that. So I'm just going to go through and do like super girl, I ain't got a comb. What I'm doing with no comb? All right, I found a comb. It wasn't the comb that I was looking for, but whatever. To do these curls, I'm taking my flat iron. When I put the piece of hair in, I tuck it and come on now. Okay, see how tight that is? Yeah, that's what we want. And then I'm gonna like pin it in place in the meantime so it can kind of like set. So hopefully I don't run out of pins. Probably will. So I'm gonna just do the rest of my head, and once I'm done, we'll proceed. Okay, so I did all of my curls. Some of them are still pinned up, but I ran out of hairpins. Well, I know I got some more around here somewhere, but I didn't feel like going to get them, so I had to take some from the back and pin the curls that were at the top. All right, so I'm about to just take them all out now because I feel like they all had a chance to like cool and set. The only one that I'm going to leave in is this front one because this is my bang. I am annoyed because I wanted to have like the long bang, like, you know, curl, which is how the hairstyle, most of the people that I've seen, that's how they have their front style. But my hair is not long in the front. I don't know if you guys remember, but in one of my vlogs, I had mentioned that I had cut a bang. So we're going to see how the curtain bang works with this hairstyle. But I feel like it'll be cute because it'll really give it like a 90s vibe, like Pamela Anderson. I'll insert a picture if y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. So now I'm gonna pull all this up into a ponytail like so. Actually, let me finger through some of this real quick. So I am doing this with my natural hair. I'm gonna add a couple of pieces. So I'm gonna pull these down too. So just for a second while I got the hair pulled up, I'm gonna take my wax stick and go around like my edges. All right, let me just brush. So now I'm going to, I kind of am just gonna finger this up into the, like finger comb this up into the ponytail, mainly because I feel like if I brush it, it's gonna make it a little bit more neat than I want it to be, you know what I mean? And you wanna put the ponytail like a high. It's definitely like a high ponytail. Need a little bit. And I'm really big on messy hair. So this is not going to be perfect, like a perfect ponytail. If you like your hair to be more like in place, then by all means you can put more effort and energy into getting your ponytail like super sleek. But to me, I think for this hairstyle, it's supposed to look kind of messy, like, you know what I mean, or unkept, kind of effortless. I feel like that's like the vibe of this hairstyle, which is one of the reasons why I like it. You see how right now I have like these curls and I can just kind of pin them, right? But because it's my natural hair, look at how small that bun would be. So I'm just gonna add like this piece around my ponytail. I don't need a lot because I don't want it to be like super full. I have seen girls do this with like wigs, like lace wigs or frontals or whatever, but I don't want mine to be really full. I still want it to look like my natural hair. So I'm only going to use this one piece, and as you can see, it's pretty long. I'm just going to wrap this around using some hairpins. Clip that out the way. It probably would have been easier if I had clip-ins, because I could have just put them in, you know, clip them in my hair, but I don't. So that's why I'm doing it this way. I feel like if you have clip-ins, it would probably be a lot quicker, a lot easier. So for this, I'm gonna take these curling irons just because it'll be quicker or easier. So now to give it a little bit more volume, I'm going to take some rubber bands and kind of layer them around the ponytail. Like put one right here just to make it sit up a little bit higher. Now, from here, you see how the curls, like how they are, like I pull them apart a little bit, but how they're falling, that's just how you want to pin it. Like you want to take it and kind of like form it, kind of like, I don't know how to explain that. I hope I'm explaining this properly, but like however they are falling, like that's just how you want to pin them in place. And you just gotta kind of play around with it, I guess, and until you get something that you like. See how like that little piece of hair right here is like sticking out? I actually like that, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna pin it. I feel like I like this shape, so I'm gonna spray it in place. Now, this bang situation.
Proof, like, and you hit it right on the nose.
it's like, why does it have to be a dark?
Okay, so the bang situation took a little bit longer to get together, but I do like how this turned out. I feel like this is the best option for where I'm at. So because I cut my bang, you know, like with bangs, they grow out. It's been about a month and a half, I would say, or like six to 7 weeks since I cut my bang. So it's grown out too long to the point that I can actually wear them. But I feel like I made it work. Yeah, I think that this is cute, like where they are. So I'ma just leave this where it's at. All right, let me just get all the finishing touches together and then I'll be back with the final look. So as you can see, I went and did my makeup. I'm actually on my way out, so I just went ahead and did my makeup, but this is the final look for the hair. I actually think this is like super cute. I'm so excited. I think it came out really, really good for this to be my first attempt. Yeah, here is a back view. I'm obsessed. I was obsessed with this hairstyle when I was seeing it on all the other girlies. I can't wait to try it like once maybe I get a wig, or like when my hair grows out in the front, or when I get clip-ins. Like, yeah, I'm definitely going to be running this back this summer. It's so cute. So if you think that I nailed this, because I think I nailed this. I really do. Especially for this to be my first attempt. If you think that I nailed it, then let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more hair videos, then hit the thumbs up button for me, babes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, including a new hair tutorial, then hit that little notification bell that's somewhere on the screen. It should be next to the subscribe button, but I'm not really sure. Just look for the notification bell. I am obsessed, but I gotta go. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today, babes. And until next time.